Sup, bitches?
Shout out to my mini-me's. I hope you do better, bro. Better me, better you, etc.
Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. All my returning subscribers, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for holding it down. I really appreciate the love. Also, all my new subscribers, welcome. How you doing? I'm glad you're here. Don't be a stranger. Also, anyone watching this video for the first time, y'all know what to do. Click that little notification bell and that subscription button. I'm gonna give y'all a little minute. Just grab it out, click it right there. You might as well click it because you're gonna enjoy all this fucking content. But anyways, this is the first video of 2020. Finally, I just really had a hectic work schedule during the holidays, and I've also been focusing more on me and my best friend's podcast. And if you're not subscribed to that yet, go subscribe to the PUSSSY Chronicles. It's all on all streaming platforms. We're on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, etc. So if y'all just need to listen to some best friends that's in your head while you're cleaning up, while you're driving, anything like that, you might as well hit the subscription because we are loads of fun, loads of laughs. We talk hella shit. We talk hella shit about niggas. We talk hella shit about pop culture, what else? Motherhood, sex, all of that. But anyways, I am back with another wig review video. This is from It's a Wig and it's called Switch Lace in KEEFF. And I got it in the color Hollywood Red. This is what the tag looks like. And this is the hair before I did anything to it. It's red, but when you look at it real close, it's almost kind of like a reddish pink. Even my daughter said it looks kind of pink, but this is how it looks. It's a pretty color. You know, it got that little hard lace. It's a middle part. This is the inside of it, how it's constructed. Two combs on the side, two combs in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. So now I'm just gonna try it on just to show you guys what it looks like before I do anything to it. It's bright, but it's cute. I think I could work with this. So this is what it looks like before I do any. Hold on, wait a minute. This is what it looks like before I do anything to it. The part. I like this. This is really bold, and I've been feeling really bold lately. I guess it's kind of big head. I guess it is kind of big head friendly. It's not too tight, but it's not really big as I want it. But I could make it work with this big old head of mine. So I'm about to tweeze some of this, you know, make some baby hairs and whatnot, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look after I altered it. It was really a middle part, but I wasn't feeling it in the middle, so I decided to put it to the side. You know, give it a little Jessica Rabbit look or whatnot. So I like it. I thought I was, at first, I ain't gonna lie, I thought I wasn't gonna like it. But once I put it to the side, I'm really feeling this. I don't know if I want to put this bang more to the front. Just get it out my eye just a little bit. And this is my eye makeup. And yeah, this is from It's a Wig, and it's called KEEFF, K-E-E-F-F. This was what it was supposed to originally look like, but like I said, I really wasn't feeling it in the middle. But other than that, I like it. I really like it. So I made some baby hairs and whatnot, put some foundation powder in the part to make it look natural. Yeah, so if you guys like it, you know what to do. Comment below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Follow me on Instagram at XOXO_Mochaccino. I'm gonna put the tag right here, XOXO_Mochaccino. Also, if you haven't subscribed and this is your first time watching, like I said prior, I don't know what you're waiting for, sis. You might as well click on that button right there and subscribe so you can see more of me. And also, make sure you subscribe to me and my best friend's podcast. She's asleep right now. But if you need some more best friends in your head, just follow us. Again, ooh, I'm really feeling this here, y'all. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm really feeling this. Again, thanks for watching and bye.